The U.S. debt has doubled to a staggering $40 trillion. Rising inflation is a concern to the bond market, and bonds influence interest rates. It's Friday, August 21st, 2026. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, your go-to real estate resource. This is the weekly Maryland Eastern Shore Report. Bonds can effectively influence not just the mortgage interest rates, but interest rates on credit cards, car loans, and other borrowing costs. Last week, the average rate on a 30-year fixed rate mortgage hit 6.67%, nearly the highest level in a year. And interest rates are going up again because inflation is out of control. All these economic factors are going to impact the housing market. While the Maryland market overall is still in a strong seller's market, the Eastern Shore housing market is behind with higher inventory, flat appreciation, and more seller price reductions. So buyer activity on the Eastern Shore fell 5.7% from last year this time, and new contracts are off 3%. Sellers are going to have to adjust their expectations for the sales timeline and price. Eastern Shore inventory is also up to 2,420 properties for sale at $409,250 median list price. 140 properties sold in 33 days at 96.7% list to sold ratio, and the median sold price was $423,500. This actually is up 18% this week from last week. There are 160 rental properties this week. Rent prices are holding at $2,100 per month. These have been on the market for 35 days, and only 8 properties leased over the past week at $2,025 median lease rate. Do you have some questions about the market? Let's talk if you need some guidance. And that's your weekly wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, August 21st, 2026. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.